Your graph generally should look like this one. When plotting a graph, remember these main points. Try to use up more than 75% of the graph paper. Label axes with both the property and the unit of measurement. For example, the y-axis records the length and the unit of measurement is meters. So you place on your graph length, put a slash, and m to represent meters. The x-axis records force with a unit of newtons, so make sure you put force and n to represent newtons. Give your graph a title. Use x's or dots with circles around them when plotting the points. In my case, please forgive my dots without circles because I was using my computer. Also remember, in this case, your graph would be a best fit straight line. The best fit straight line goes through as many points as possible with an equal number of straight points on opposite sides of the line. In this case, we can consider that this point 3 and point 1 are straight points and they are equally spaced on opposite sides of the line. Question B asks, what is the load on the spring when the length is 0.5 meters? To find the load when the spring is 0.5 meters, we use the graph. So we read up on the y-axis for a length of 0.5 meters. We go across on the y-axis and we read down on the x-axis to find out that the force is 1 Newton. Question C. What is the unloaded length of the spring? To find the unloaded length of the spring, we need to find the length when there's no load on the spring. That is, we need to find the length when the force is 0 newtons. We can use a graph to read off that when the force is 0 newtons on the x-axis, the length is about 0.25 meters. A load of 8 newtons is now applied to the spring. What is the mass of this load in kilograms? To calculate its mass, we use the equation W equal mg. W is 8 newtons and g we know is 10 meters per second squared. If we want to find the mass, we make m the subject by dividing weight by g. So m is equal to 8 divided by 10, which is 0.8 kilograms.